Welcome back, FLR community. Today is finally the day that we can test the highly anticipated BiFrost wallet. Now, before you get too excited, the Songbird and FLR network have not actually launched yet, therefore we cannot test them tokens. But with that being said, they do have some integrated assets that we are very familiar with. So you may have actually received this email at some point today. I actually just received it around 10 minutes ago, and I've had a little play around, and we're going to get into that today. So let's just quickly read through this email, and then we'll jump straight in. BiFrost Wallet is the first mobile crypto wallet and decentralized application browser ready for Songbird and FLR. It's going to support both networks. BiFrost Wallet makes it easy to store, send and receive XRP, Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, Songbird, SGB, and also Spark, FLR. So before we go a little bit further, it's a software wallet, it's not a hardware wallet, it's not a physical device, and it's just an application that will live on your phone. Not your keys, not your crypto. BiFrost Wallet turns your mobile phone into a fully featured crypto asset wallet for coins, tokens, and NFTs, which is coming soon. Your private keys are stored on your device only. Backup and restore your wallet using a standard 12 or 24-word recovery phrase compatible with other wallets like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Ledger. Security is their top priority. We take security very seriously, and our developers have experience from contributing to other wallets in the ecosystem. I actually believe 20 Labs created the FLR app for Ledger. We continuously test, review, and audit our code base. BiFrost Wallet has also been independently audited by the well-respected German security firm Cure53, with no vulnerabilities found. And that's very reassuring indeed. In fact, I'll leave a link in the description below for more details on this audit. Reclaim your privacy. BiFrost Wallet is developed in accordance with the principles of privacy by design and data minimization. We are always thinking about your privacy when designing our software and services. In addition, we have zero tolerance policy against ads and trackers. DApp Browser. You can use BiFrost Wallet to browse and interact with decentralized applications like Uniswap, Compound, and Aave, while keeping your private key secure and confidential. BiFrost Wallet provides a comprehensive overview of transaction details, avoiding bind signing common with other wallets. And here's what everyone wants to know about Songbird and FLR. BiFrost Wallet is ready for the new era of decentralized finance being built upon Songbird and the FLR network, including the FLR Time Series Oracle, Spark Delegation, F Assets, and decentralized applications from FLR Finance, RA, and Probity Finance. So it looks like it's going to encompass all of this different functionality which other wallets may not actually be providing. I know that there is the Decence wallet, which is actually going to provide all of this functionality too, and if you want to get yourself a hardware wallet, you can get $50 off with the link below. So with that being said, let's actually have a little look into the application itself. So here we go, this is the initial screen. This just shows you how to take a screenshot if you want to help the developers if you find any problems. I chose to create a new wallet and start from scratch. So basically you confirm here and you have your 12-word recovery phase. Now it's very important not to share this with anyone. So keep it safe, write it down, and make sure it remains private. After that, you will have to confirm the order, which is basically the process of ensuring that you have written this down. Because if you lose this 12-word secret phrase, then unfortunately, you may be locked out of your account. After we've done that, we confirm and we add a PIN number. And this is basically a way to quickly access your wallet. If you want, you can also add biometric identification. And here we land at the home screen. I'm just flicking through the tabs here to see what's available, and it looks very clean from what I see, very clean interface, and I really do like the design. As you can see here, the account is empty, so what I did was I chose to look at the assets which are available. As we know from the initial invite email, we know that they support XRP, Ethereum, and all ERC20 tokens, in addition to both Songbird and the Spark token, which is yet to be released. Quite a wide array of different tokens here, and if we go back to the top, I actually chose to deposit some XRP. So what I did was I sent it to this particular address and created a new account, and I did that via the Zum wallet. So we can just fast forward through this process. And it is always important to realize that if you are actually sending XRP to a new address like I did here, you're actually going to have to activate it with 20 XRP as reserve. So just bear that in mind. So there we have it, the transaction verified just in 3 to 5 seconds as you would expect. And then I jumped back over to the BiFrost wallet, entered my PIN, and here we go. Give it a quick refresh, and there it is, 50 XRP. And that's it, it gives details of the transaction, and something that I really like is this feature that they've linked to XRP Scan, where you're actually able to view on the Block Explorer itself. And here you have all the details. I think it's a great feature and very much welcomed. So the application itself is very simple at the minute. You can do everything you can expect from a wallet. You can send assets, you can receive assets, and what I, and I believe everyone else is really looking forward to, is this additional functionality which incorporates some of the features specific to the FLR network. So when the Songbird network launches, I'm sure we're going to see this additional functionality being rolled out onto the application. So with that being said, guys, this is just a small introduction. I hope everyone's having an incredible day as always, and until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.